Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, the Auto Group is hiring. AAA, they're hiring, guys. And I just wanted to choose this job really quickly. You can click over here to search all the jobs that are currently available. This is a homeowner's desk virtual claim rep 2 for the Auto Club Group. It's hybrid, located in Michigan, but just wanted to give you an idea of all the openings that they currently have open here. Description is a great time to join the AAA, the Auto Club Group. Join the team committed to driving your career forward full time. This is salary position. What you will do, primary duties and responsibilities. The Auto Club Group is seeking a prospective claim representative who can, under normal supervision with an intermediate level approval authority, to handle moderately complex claims and claims handling standards in the field or inside units, resolve coverage questions, take statements, and establish clear evaluation and resolution plans for claims. In this position, you will have the opportunity to review, assign claims, contact the insured and other affected parties, set expectations for the remainder of the claim, and initiate documentation in the claim handling system. You can come through here and check out all of the details about the position. Employees assigned to homeowner CAT claim unit will handle claims generally valued between $5,000 and $25,000 from the inside desk role and up to $100,000 for the field role, and investigate requiring coverages and analysis. The work environment, the position is currently able to work remotely from home office location from day-to-day operations, unless occasionally driving for meetings, collaborative activities, and team building activities. But I want to get down to what's best about this job. Is claims representative will earn a competitive salary from $54,600 to $85,000 annually, with annual bonus potential based on performances. They have an excellent comprehensive benefits package, and all the things are here, from 401k to medical, dental, vision, PTO, paid holidays. We're looking for candidates who prefer qualifications, associate's degree in business administration, insurance, or related field, or the equivalent in related work experiences. And you'll just be able to come through here and see if your skills and talents match with all of the details that they currently have here for this particular role for homeowners desk virtual claims. And they have other jobs here as well, guys. If you just click on the search jobs tab, it will take you over to all the open job opportunities that they have. And they have pages upon pages of opportunities here at the AAA, the Auto Club Group. So super congrats to anyone who gets this role, or super congrats to anyone who gets any one of these amazing roles. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, please make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you know anyone who's looking for a job role, guys, please share this video with them, or any of the previous videos that I've shared in regards to job leads. Please share those with them as well. So thank you so much for all you do. Love you lots. And I hope you're having a super fantastic day so far. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you. Thank you. Love you lots. Bye for now, friends.